Hello folks, this is an unboxing. It's part of the Prepping 101 series. Sometimes I do investigation work for bookshops and stuff, and they don't have money, so they pay me in books. So first thing we got from the Friends of the Coleto Library from Coleto, Oregon. I did some book snaking for them, and I know they had a book that was really interested. So let's open it up. Okay, that's from the Friends of the from Oregon. Now a lot of people ask me, what's book snaking? Well, I look for information that can be verified. Usually I do it for cash, but I find things, I investigate and send them my results. And they send me stuff back. Oops. Okay. Got that open. Didn't want to damage the goods inside. Oh boy, this is what I was looking for. Okay. I got a thank you note for them. For helping them out. Put that over there. Nice note too. So this is the complete book by Jerome Knapp. This is one of the hardest books to find. It's one of my favorite too. I always double check. Sometimes I rebuy stuff over and over, but it's alright. It doesn't look like I got this one. It's mostly old school tactics that I really enjoy. Now, a lot of people don't learn this in the lower 48. You should, you dips. Okay? And this is one of the rare books that does have this thing. Of course, none of you flies Cessnas. And I gotta remember how to fly Cessnas because sometimes I can't remember stuff. It has basic first aid and stuff. This has information dated from the 1950s to 1960s. That's why I was looking for this one. Okay. This other one came from, I did work for Powell's Books. Thank you very much. I love it when they really pack these things tight. I don't want to damage the book inside. Like I said, I look for really old, archaic books. Hopefully. Yeah, they really did a good job on it. Unfortunately, too good of a job. Okay. And yep, there's the thank you letter. Put that over there. All right, it's a cookbook. It's one of the little blue books. Okay. In the old days, the blue books were kind of a precursor to paperbacks. They were given out in World War II for information for anybody, soldiers, farmers. And this one's by the Wartime Ministry of Food. And what do you do with milk? Whatchamacallit, green leaves, soup, beautiful soup, menus for the ideal meal. Basically all the wartime wise eating in wartime from the kitchen front broadcast. And they did it in a reproduction of the old blue books. So if you ever seen one of these, I would get it. And to close everything off. Now I always kid about people about this. And they always look at me like, Uncle Alan's nuts. Uncle Alan, in a couple of weeks, once I get another $5, I think, I'm going to get a safety helmet because I put in my orders. I need $5 more. This one is good for outside, but I need something serious. And so I'm getting a $10 safety helmet and putting a light on it. And this is for October. Now this is fine for outside during the summertime, but I have to be in an urban area, so this is a little bit out of place. So I'm replacing this with a standard white safety helmet, because if people saw that as I walked down the street escaping something that might happen on October 19th or 31st, people will get a little nervous. So anyway, like I said, I also had a favor of mine. Somebody asked me to see the push dagger again. That is push dagger. I could thread it or I could clip it onto the belt. I don't like this clip, but I do like the thread part. And the nice thing is I could do either way. On shoulder straps, behind the back of the neck, wherever I want to put it. And it works fairly good. I could position it as a push dagger or a palm dagger, wherever I wanted to feel like doing at the time. Now, Uncle Alan's kind of short, so remember, I have a serrated edge that could cut 1-inch hemp rope in about less than 30 seconds. So think about it when you're trying to stump old Uncle Al. You have 3 things dangling below the waist, and you don't want to separate those. I'll catch you later, folks. You have a nice day. Short video, just plain old boxing with something surprise. Bye, folks.